How do I check my Visa debit card balance online?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of checking your Visa debit card balance online. It's a simple and convenient way to stay on top of your finances. Remember, keeping track of your spending can help you manage your money more effectively.
What will you need to get started?
To check your Visa debit card balance online, you will need your Visa debit card. You'll need the card number, which is typically 16 digits long, along with the expiration date and CVV number. Access to the internet. This process requires an internet connection as you'll be accessing your bank's online banking platform. Bank account details. These are the details you use to log in to your bank's website or mobile app.
How do you log into your online banking account?
First, open your web browser and navigate to your bank's website. Look for an option that says something like Online Banking, Login, or Sign In. Enter your username and password in the fields provided. If you have forgotten these details or haven't set up online banking yet, look for options such as Forgot Username, Password, or Register. Follow the instructions to retrieve your credentials or set up a new account. Note, it's important to ensure that you are accessing your bank's genuine website. Check the URL in your browser's address bar for https:// and the correct bank's name.
How do you check your Visa debit card balance?
Once logged into your online banking account, navigate to the account summary or account details page. Here, you should see a list of all the accounts linked to your profile. Locate your Visa debit card account from the list and click on it. The balance of your Visa debit card will be displayed here.
What should you do after checking your balance?
After checking your balance, don't forget to log out of your online banking account, especially if you're using a public computer or shared network. Keeping your banking details secure is crucial to prevent unauthorized access. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to check your Visa debit card balance online. It's a straightforward process that you can do anytime, anywhere. Remember, regular checks can help you maintain good financial habits. If you have any more queries or need help with other banking-related tasks, do leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more useful videos. Happy banking!